Good day, money makers. Welcome back to the channel. Um, Again, in 2020, we're gonna talk about our leverage series. The first video you saw was on how to get leverage. Use one of the ways to leverage Amazon, which is Amazon Flex. There will be more videos on Amazon and how you can leverage Amazon, about how to leverage other things that's already known to your advantage to build yourself. So maybe you have a brick and mortar store, or you might have a YouTube channel or Instagram influencer or something like this. And what this is called Cameo. Um, so you can pay locals, you can pay celebrities a fee, and they will do a shout out video, and then you can use the video however you like, long as it's not detrimental or you don't lie to people or something like that. I think that's within the rules there. You can do athletes. If you have like an athletic podcast, or they have anything from athletes to rap stars to um, um, political figures and all that good stuff. So this is a good advantage if you have a blog or home-based business, or anything like that. Maybe you have a law office or a real estate agency, and you um, want somebody to shout out your local business. This is a good way to do it. But the price is is very lucrative. It can bring eyes to your business, and that's what we want to do. We want to leverage stuff, bring eyes to your business or your personal brand. That's what the leverage series is about. So they have categories here. They have actors, um, athletes, reality TV stars. Maybe you guys, I'm not a big reality guy, but maybe you guys know some of these reality TV people. Um, Chris Hansen, that's a funny one there. So yeah, let's delve into it a little bit. They got some YouTube stars here. So this is just the main page here. These are some of the most requested ones. As you can see, they have the price right there. Now, some of them won't do it unless you a certain niche, or like let's just try Ernie Hudson profile. We'll load him up. Okay, so you can book him. It usually takes him a day. Um, I don't advertise or endorse businesses or services. Okay, so he would be. Let's actually listen to him and see what he is endorsing. Oh, okay. So just for that 17-second spot, he charged $135. Um, Again, some of these guys do not. I mean, do not do endorsements. What you gotta kind of cipher through these people. Um, he doesn't do. Maybe let's try. I know. Let's see. Let's try Redman. I like Redman. Let's see what Redman has to say. So he doesn't have. Some people have that. Like you saw before, they don't endorse certain things. But let's see what Redman. It's a 2 minute video. See what Redman has to say. Let's do a smaller one. So yeah, he's shouting out somebody for their Christmas there, but um, yeah, he's got all 5-star reviews. Let's look at some of the reviews here. Yeah, thank you, Redman. My friends couldn't believe it. So much energy. Happy holidays. Okay, that's that Raquel guy. Good Lord, perfect. Let's see if we can find somebody else here. I, yeah, Redman is one of my favorites. Also, he's always bringing energy there. Let's see. Let's try. Let's see. Animals, drag queen. So like I said, it has different media models. Um, Everybody knows. Ooh, let's try. I don't know. I don't know who half these people are. I know who Johnny Damon is. Uh, Tommy Lauren. That's a fire starter. If you're either way, if you're a Democrat or if you're a Republican. Wow, only for $75. So let me see. Just I'm not a big fan of her, so let me see if. So yeah. So let's see what she does. Let's do a 20-second one. Let's make sure. Okay. It's kind of fiery there. Let's see if we can find somebody that actually endorses a business. Let's see if we can find somebody in that end of the spectrum. They're doing more shout outs of Barry Williams, Bunch, Snoop Dogg. I don't want to really let's try Snoop Dogg. Hopefully, thank you, by the family. RJ in the spring. Road Runner Freight. Okay, let's try this one. So yeah. See those are the ones you really want. You want those business shout outs, and you know how much that can bring to your business. That eyeballs and Snoop Dogg. You put that on your Instagram, or you put that on your business page or something like that. That attracts eyeballs, and that's what we want to do with the leverage. You want to leverage somebody else's notoriety that's already big and bring eyeballs into your business. Now that was a freight team. Now, say I'm a local person and I needed somebody for the freight team. I needed somebody to ship my stuff, and I see Snoop Dogg endorsing it. Like, wow, Snoop Dogg's behind it. He says it, and that's just the nature of people. Snoop Dogg says, it. Yeah, then I might be able to. I'm going to do some business, or even just put eyes on your business by just bringing in these celebrities, even to your brand. If you don't even have a business yet, you want to become a brand or you want to brand yourself a little bit. Um, this is a very alternative, cheap way to do it. I mean, you can run Facebook ads, and some of the Facebook ads you might not even get any traction from it. But if you put this in your Facebook ad, Golden Tate, wow, wow. Yeah. Hey, there's my grandmother used to watch him. I'm like, oh, Bret the Hitman Hart. Oh, yeah. So yeah, they have all these different celebrities. You can try them out. Um, help do your business here. Let's look it up. We did the actors. We did the athletes. We did the musicians, I should say. Look at the athletes here. Oh, Forrest Griffin. Wow. Johnny Damon. I'm a big sports fan, so I know most of these people are. Jamal Anderson. Matt Hardy. Oh, Brett Favre. Wow. $400. Let's see how much he gives you for $400. Street sales team for a minute. Yeah, he's kind of boring. You want somebody with some energy. Brett, that's nice, Brett, but I think you want more energy. So yeah, like people like the Redman and Snoop Dogg, that's gonna get eyeballs. I mean, Brett Favre, he didn't sound too bad, but he sounded just like he's dragging a little bit there. Um, if you know wrestling, if you know wrestling stars, you might give a shout out if you're into that type of stuff. Um, wow, yeah, they have all types of celebrities here. Don Peavy, wow, that's old. At Barkley. Okay, okay. So yeah, check it out. Check it out for yourself. I don't even know who this person is. Yeah, but yeah, check it out for yourselves. Use it wisely. And then the sign up process is real easy. You just um put your name, or you can do it with email, Instagram. They're gonna make you confirm some stuff with secret questions and stuff like that. So yeah, use the power of celebrity to leverage for your business. Um, so this will be this video. I got to shout out my sponsors again. Stardom Tees, www.stardomtees.com. They got a T-shirt for you. So any graphic T-shirts, any political dog T-shirts, all that good stuff. Yeah, so those guys have been nice to the channel.